Welcome back to Full Course Online. In this video, I'll show you how to add references properly in Microsoft Word using footnotes, endnotes, and citations. First, open your Microsoft Word document and place the cursor where you want to add a reference. This is usually at the end of a sentence, after a quotation, or where external information is used. Now, go to the References tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. This tab contains all the tools related to footnotes, endnotes, citations, and bibliographies. To add a footnote, click on Insert Footnote. Word immediately inserts a small reference number in the text and moves the cursor to the bottom of the page. Here, you can type the reference or explanation related to that content. Footnotes are useful when you want the reference to appear on the same page for easy reading. If you want the reference to appear at the end of the document instead, click Insert Endnote. Word places a number in the text and moves the cursor to the end of the document. Endnotes are commonly used in long documents such as research papers, books, and theses. To add a citation, place the cursor where the citation is needed. Then click Insert Citation and choose Add New Source. A dialog box will open where you can select the source type, such as a book, journal article, website, or report. Enter the required details like the website name, URL, etc. Once you click OK, Word inserts the citation automatically using the selected citation style. After adding citations throughout the document, creating a bibliography is very simple. Move your cursor to the location where you want the bibliography to appear, usually at the end of the document. Then click Bibliography in the References tab and choose a format. Word automatically generates a complete list of all sources used in the document. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Full Course Online, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.